This video covers questions 39 through 42 and deals with writing an equation from a table. So first thing we need to do is find slope from the table. So we figure out, how do we get from 9 to 7 and 7 to 5? Well, we're subtracting 2 each time. How do you get from negative 2 to 0? Add 2. 0 to 2, add 2. So your slope is change of y over the change of x. Negative 2 over 2, which is really negative 1. So in my y equals mx plus b form, m is your slope, so I'm going to replace negative 1 with m. And b is your y-intercept. That means, what is the y when x is 0? We actually should see that right here on the table. So our y-intercept is 7. So this would be my equation for number 39. Number 40, again, find the change of y over the change of x. How do you get from 4 to 7 and 7 to 10? We're adding 3. How do you get from negative 1 to 0 and 0 to 1? You're adding 1. So the slope is change of y over change of x. That's 3 over 1, or just 3. So I'd write y equals 3x. Slope is always with x. And look for that y-intercept. What is y when x is 0? We look again, it is also 7. So we're going to put plus 7 here. How do you get from 5 to 8 or 8 to 11? We're adding 3. How do you get from 0 to 2 and 2 to 4? We're adding 2. Slope is the change of y over the change of x. So y equals 3 halves x. And we want that y-intercept. What is y when x is 0? We look here and see that y is 5. So we're going to put plus 5 because it's a positive. And for the last question, question 42, find your change of y over change of x. How do you get from 1 to 2 and 2 to 3? You're adding 1. How do you get from 2 to 4 and 4 to 6? You're adding 2. Slope is the change of y over the change of x, so it's 1/2. So y equals 1/2 x. Now, I don't see x is equal to 0. However, if I extend this pattern as it's going up, 6, 4, 2, the next one would be 0. And that means the next one over here would also be, this is going 3, 2, 1. The next one going up would also be 0. So my y-intercept is at plus 0. When we write that equation, we just don't write the 0 at all. So we would write y equals 1/2 x.